Today, I will show you how to trigger automations in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to set up the exact conditions that start your automations and how to make sure they work smoothly in your account. To get started, head over to the GoHighLevel website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. This dashboard acts as your central hub, giving you access to the wide range of tools and features GoHighLevel offers. Our focus will be on building automation, so from the menu, locate the automation section and click on it. This takes you to the automation dashboard where you can create new workflows. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Create Workflow. This is where we begin setting up the automation that will handle our follow-up emails. For this tutorial, we'll build everything from scratch, allowing us complete control over the details of the workflow. Select the Start from Scratch option and a blank canvas will open up for you to work with. The next important step is to add a trigger. Triggers are what tell the system when to initiate your workflow. To add one, click on Add New Trigger, and you'll be asked to define the conditions that should start the process. For our example, we'll be using a form submission. In the search bar that appears, type Form and select the Form Submitted option. This ensures that anytime a visitor fills out and submits a form on your site or landing page, the workflow will begin. Don't forget to click Save Trigger so the system locks in this setup. Once your trigger is in place, the next task is to define what action follows. Click on Add Action. Actions are what happen as a direct result of the trigger. In this case, our action will be to send an email. To set this up, search for Send Email in the Action menu. When you see the option, select it. Now, you'll need to create the content of your follow-up email. This can be anything from a simple thank you note to a confirmation message to a more detailed follow-up with additional information or next steps for the customer. Be sure to tailor your message so that it feels personal and relevant to the individual who submitted the form. After drafting your email, review it carefully to make sure it reflects your business goals and provides value to your audience. Once everything looks good, save the action to finalize this step. Now the workflow is fully functional. Every time someone submits a form, the system will automatically send out your carefully crafted follow-up email. Automating follow-up emails in this way can save you significant time while also ensuring that every lead or customer gets an immediate, consistent, and professional response. Not only does this improve efficiency, but it also helps build stronger relationships and boosts customer satisfaction. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.